Samsung is gearing up for its first Galaxy Unpacked event of 2024, expected in mid-January, with a focus on the Galaxy S24 series. Recent leaks, particularly showcasing the Galaxy S24 Ultra, revealed design changes and specifications. Live images compare the S24 Ultra with the S23 Ultra, highlighting alterations such as a single long cutout for the speaker grille at the bottom, larger power and volume keys, and a flatter display. The S Pen's bottom also sees changes. The S24 Ultra features a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, 12GB RAM, and up to 1TB storage. It boasts a 5000 mAh battery supporting 45W wired charging, 15W wireless charging, and 4.5W reverse wireless charging. The quad camera system includes a 200MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultrawide unit, a 10MP 3x telephoto shooter, and a 50MP 5x periscope zoom unit. The front houses a 12MP shooter. The 6.8-inch QHD plus LTP a 120Hz AMOLED display comes in titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow color options. Share your thoughts on the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe below. Peace out.